7 steps to build lasting habits and transform your life.
Forget motivation. It comes and goes. What if I told you there's a scientific way to rewire your brain, one small habit at a time, so you never feel overwhelmed again? In this video, you'll learn how to build habits that stick effortlessly, even on your busiest days.
Part 1. Why healthy habits matter.
Healthy habits are the building blocks of a thriving life. They determine not only your physical health, but also your mental clarity, emotional resilience, and long-term well-being. Research in neuroscience shows that consistent behaviors reshape neural pathways, a process called neuroplasticity, making healthy actions feel automatic over time.
Physical benefits.
Regular exercise boosts cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and releases endorphins that reduce stress. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean protein, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients for brain function and energy.
Mental and emotional benefits.
Daily mindfulness or meditation lowers cortisol levels, improving mood and reducing anxiety. Sufficient sleep, 7 to 9 hours, enhances memory consolidation, focus, and problem-solving skills.
Long-term impact.
Studies link healthy daily routines to a stronger immune system, up to 30% fewer illnesses, better stress management, and increased life expectancy. For example, one longitudinal study found that individuals who walked 30 minutes daily lived an average of 7 years longer than sedentary peers. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle.
Part 2. Know your why.
Lasting change begins with a deep personal motivation. Without a clear why, habits easily fade under stress or boredom. Ask yourself,
what will I gain?
More energy to play with my children? Better mood to face work challenges?
How will I feel?
Confident, capable, proud of myself?
Why is this important?
To enjoy a long, active life? To feel comfortable in my body? To reduce health costs? Write your why on a sticky note and place it where you'll see it: mirror, fridge, or work desk. Every time motivation dips, after a long day or during a busy week, revisiting this anchor reignites your purpose. Science says, people who link new habits to deeply held values are 42% more likely to maintain them over a year. Your why is not a tagline. It's the compass guiding you through setbacks and plateaus.
Part 3. Set smart goals.
Vague intentions produce vague results. Smart goals transform abstract dreams into concrete action plans. Let's break down each element.
Specific.
Identify exactly what you want. Vague, I'll eat healthier. Specific, I'll include 2 servings of vegetables at lunch and dinner daily.
Measurable.
Quantify progress. Use a habit tracking app or a simple checklist. Count the number of days or servings.
Achievable.
Set realistic steps. If you currently consume 0 vegetables, start with 1 serving per day, then increase.
Relevant.
Align goals with your why. If stress relief is a priority, set a goal like, I will meditate for 5 minutes after waking up, not, I will run 10 miles.
Time-bound.
Create deadlines. I will maintain this routine for 4 weeks and then review results. Studies show that people who write down specific, time-bound goals are 40% more likely to achieve them. When you define exactly what success looks like, you remove guesswork and create a clear roadmap.
Part 4. Stack your habits.
Leverage existing routines to create new ones. Habit stacking, anchoring. After I brush my teeth, I will drink a glass of water. After I pour my morning coffee, I will write a single line in my gratitude journal. After checking email, I will stand up and stretch for 2 minutes. By stacking in this way, you create a context that primes your brain. Neuroimaging studies reveal that repeating a sequence of behaviors in the same context for 21 to 66 days can establish new habits. Over time, the cue, brushing teeth, automatically triggers the action, drinking water, without conscious effort.
Part 5. Reward your progress.
Your brain craves rewards. Use that to your advantage. Every time you complete a small action, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter.
Micro wins.
Celebrate tiny victories. Finished a 10-minute walk? Enjoy a favorite smoothie guilt-free.
Habit tracker.
Crossing off check marks on a calendar or app creates a visual momentum that's hard to ignore.
Social reinforcement.
Post your completion on social media or share with a friend. Positive feedback from others strengthens commitment. Psychological research indicates that immediate rewards, even small ones, can increase motivation by up to 50%. Choose rewards wisely. If relaxation matters, schedule 5 minutes of mindfulness after a week of consistency. If social connection matters, call a friend to share your success. These positive reinforcements reinforce neural circuits and make the new behavior more desirable.
Part 6. Handle setbacks. They're normal.
Setbacks are feedback, not failure. Expect them and plan for them.
1. Never miss twice rule.
If you miss once, recommit immediately. 2 consecutive misses make it harder.
2. Self-compassion.
Speak to yourself kindly. Replace "I failed" with "I learned." Research shows that high self-compassion correlates with 2x higher adherence to healthy routines.
3. Identify triggers.
Was it stress, boredom, or lack of time? Use a trigger log for 1 week. Write down every time you skip the habit and note the cause. Patterns emerge.
4. Adapt and adjust.
If morning workouts clash with your schedule, try lunchtime or evening brief sessions. Flexibility keeps you in control, not the other way around. By understanding that setbacks are part of the process, you build resilience. A study from the University of Toronto demonstrated that those who reframed setbacks as temporary detours were 23% more likely to sustain their habits over 6 months.
Part 7. Make habits part of your identity.
Identity-based habits are the core of lasting change. Instead of saying, "I'm trying to be healthy," shift to, "I am a healthy person." This psychological reframing triggers deep neural alignment.
Identity statement.
I am someone who values my body.
Behavioral example.
Before each meal, I pause to think about why this food is nourishing.
Daily affirmation.
I choose meals that fuel my health. A study from Stanford University found identity-based approaches lead to 2x higher success rates compared to goal-only strategies. When your self-image aligns with your actions, behavior flows naturally. Repeat identity statements in front of a mirror each morning. Your brain begins to treat them as reality.
Summary checklist.
1. Know your why. 2. Set SMART goals. 3. Start tiny and stay consistent. 4. Stack habits. 5. Reward progress. 6. Handle setbacks with compassion. 7. Adopt identity-based practices.
Join MAZOOCHI.